machine at the manual mode and check if the screw is fastened. Make sure it's fastened. And the next step is we can check the horn and the lower modes if they are at the horizontal level. You can do like this. Click the two green buttons at the same time and check the round by eyes. They are matched. There are totally 6 parts here, and the first is the counter, the second is the delay time, the third is the weld time, the fourth is the hold time, and the fifth is the auto manual mode, and the last one is the pressure adjustment. There will be ultrasonic vibration. Make an example. Now it's 5 seconds. So if I click the two green button and after 5 seconds, the ultrasonic vibration will start. So please see it. Please see here. Now it's 0.6. So it means the ultrasonic welding time will be 0.6 seconds. This parameter hold time, it's after welding, and how long will be the pressure holding time. Now it's 0.2. It means after the welding there will be 0.2 seconds pressure holding time. Auto mode and manual mode. When we need to do welding job, put the machine at auto mode. When we need to adjust the machine, put it at manual mode. And when it's at manual mode, there will be no ultrasound vibration. Products, we have adjusted all the parameters. So now we can test a product. First, put the machine at auto mode and put the product here. Then click the two green buttons. First, put the machine at manual mode, and the second, turn off the generator, and the next, put something under the horn. Put something soft here is to prevent the upper horn and the lower mode touch, because this will make damage sometimes. The last step is we should cut off the power and the air pressure. So now, first cut off the power. Now cut off the power. Put the wire here. And then cut off and then pull this pipe out.